Hey guys, welcome. So we're out in nature and we're here for just energy message. I just finished praying and calling in the elements. We know we just had a full moon in Libra. Okay, so we are in the time of facing fear. That's it. We're in the time of facing fears. And are we going to really be this person that we're setting forth to be? Are we really going to do it? We're just going to think about it and talk about it? Or are we going to do it? And are we going to do things that make us feel uncomfortable? But the message is to be with nature. Right now, to be with nature. And do things that you know are high vibe for you, like exercise for without, whatever that is. Get into movement and exercise within, meditation. Whatever that means for you. But it's the balance right now. And remember, we can't hide from our truth. We're not in the time of hiding it. That's what this full moon in Libra, it uncovered. It uncovered our truth of where we're at. And there's one card that's turned over, and this is the card that we got last time we met up for the full moon in Libra. It was release. It was release your old self. Release the stories that are holding you back and not allowing you to move forth with the creation of a deeper connection to your authentic being in formation here. All right, so let's get a message. So this is connected to the Five of Wands. We know we're healing from the Five of Wands. We're healing from wrath. We're healing from anger. So we're going to be put forth into situations where we're going to be angry. We're going to be triggered. But it's an opportunity. It's an opportunity to heal. It's an opportunity to transform. What is the positive within the negative of the situation? With the Seer of Fire. So look at that. Now the Seer of Fire is going to help us to apply the force. But we need to see where we're applying it. But this is the key. We're going to see this within. This is not a seeing without thing. We're going to see this within. We're gonna have a moment, because it's connected to the Nine of Pentacles. So look, we're working in the Garden of Venus with love. And when we're in the Garden of Venus and we're working with love, and we're going to see how to apply the love of the force within. And the gift will be seeing it within. And it was activated with this full moon. The moon is here. The moon is here, and the Seer of Earth. Look, within the Seer of Earth, it is the moon. And I know you can't see the card, but it is the moon. The moon, and there's like two hands that are over top of the moon's mouth, covering it, and the hands are the world. And then the moon has eyes and they're shut. Now, there's a connection to understanding that there's a connection to the moon and the earth and us. There's an element of nurture there. There's an element of understanding patterning. This is moving away from these artificial rhythms that are being created. This is natural. This is cyclical. This is getting back to, moving away from blue lights. Not being on our devices all the time. This is spending time with the moon and the starlight, and also the sunrise and the sun setting. This is honoring our circadian rhythm. And this is the main message right now. This is about getting back to a natural state of being. And it's in harmony and flow with spring. And here in the northern hemisphere, we know we just had the spring equinox. This has something to do with the gifts of spring. And understanding this connection of how to heal from wrath and anger is going to be by how to we apply the force from within, and we're going to see it within, and it's going to expand from within to without. But it has to do with our connection to the actual moon. And what we're going to do is next time we meet up, we're going to talk about these 3 cards specifically, and we're going to get a message for what this connection is. We're going to expand off this further because this means something. But until then, it's time to go. It's time to go for a walk and enjoy the rest of this adventure that we're on today. I want to send you some healing vibes and tell you that I love you, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.